When I'm planting smaller perennials, sometimes I like to dig kneeling. And in order to do that correctly, in the right GardenFit form, without overexerting yourself, you want to make a nice circle of dirt and you let your shovel dig perpendicular. The actual spade goes in perpendicular to the soil. And then once it's all loosened, it's really easy to take out a slice of what we call dirt cake. And I keep removing this. Look at that, so easy. And while I'm doing that, I stay in GardenFit form. If I'm leaning forward, I'm leaning from my hips. I'm not arching my back. And once the hole is deep enough, I loosen up the roots of the plant. I put them in the hole, again with my back flat, my hips doing all the work. And then I add the soil and water. Stay GardenFit.